Hello and welcome to Joseph Data Science for Curious People. My name's Dave. In this video I want to show you how I have analyzed three of South Africa's major political parties, their manifestos, ANC, DA and EFF, for the upcoming 2021 elections. Now let's just preface this video by saying that you have to kind of be careful about drawing major conclusions from what I have discovered, because we all know politicians, they love to say things and not really follow through on anything good they say. They only seem to ever do the bad things that they don't say. As you can see, I'm not a huge fan of politicians. But anyways, let's just see what they have to say. So there were a couple of presuppositions I made. Well, firstly was that. The second one, and this was through a LinkedIn conversation, is that there are specific, how could I put it, specific ideas that parties put forward in local government manifestos in South Africa. So for instance, education is not a thing which they would talk a lot about, because that's a national issue, it's not necessarily a local issue. So I gathered a bunch of these words from conversations. So things like roads, water, infrastructure, you can see over here. This is a Python list. Infrastructure, maintenance, sanitation, energy, waste, electricity, skills, training, education. I did put education in there as well. Child or childhood, crime, jobs, employment, corruption. So these are more of the issues that they would talk about. So I gathered a bunch of them, and then I put them into a Python list. Here we go here. Okay, so what I then thought was, okay, well, let's count to see how many times these words, these keywords, come up in the manifesto, which gives us an idea of what these parties are focusing on or thinking about. That's the logic, which I think is a fairly logical idea. And it does make sense. Obviously, this is not a perfect analysis, but one could argue that if a party talks about a particular issue a lot, that obviously means it's something they are thinking about. For instance, the EFF, these guys talk a lot about land expropriation, something they talk about a lot, they think a lot about, and therefore it's something they want. The DA, they are known to talk a lot about things like local services. They talk a lot about that. And ANC, I'm not exactly too sure what they talk about, because they change quite a lot. But that was the logic. So what I did was I created this, just a few lines of Python, one function in a loop, and then just a few statements. I'm just going to go over it quickly. I don't want to bore you. So in the first one, I want to divide the paragraph. Well, no, sorry. First one, this one over here, is I take the manifesto. So the manifesto I copy and paste into this, and I create this txt object using the manifesto. So let me show you. So let's go here. So this is the DA manifesto. I copy and pasted it out of that PDF. Let's just copy and paste that. It was quicker for me in the moment just to copy and paste from a PDF than to export a PDF. Okay, so here we go. So this is the entire DA manifesto you can see here in red. Okay, so I copied it straight out of here. You can see, in fact, it may still be copied there. You can see it's been copied. So I'd copy and paste that into here just to keep it. And now I've got it. Yeah. Okay, so that's the object. What's going to now happen is, just to quickly go through this. So this first method just deletes all this blank space. So that's the replace /n. So it's just going to delete all of these spaces, and it basically will put it onto one line. Then I call this function, and it goes through this function where it splits it up into its different words. So if I just run this, so I've just run that whole thing, you can see over here what this first function does is it splits up every single word into an individual word in a Python list. So now it makes a list. So here, 2021 local government election manifesto record. So it's quite a large list. What we then do after that is this. I import collections, which is a library, and then I basically count every single time that this word is found. So that's this here, counted words. So the is mentioned 435 times, and is mentioned 401 times, to is mentioned 289 times, and so on. The DA is mentioned 80 times, so we know this is the DA manifesto, not the EFF or ANC, and so forth. Challenges are mentioned 13 times, government is mentioned 20, and so it's counting. And then what I do with this last one is I have this list of keywords that I had mentioned, and I loop it through this, string 1, which is not counted. No, because I'm counting the occurrences. So yes, I loop it through string 1, which is the manifesto in one line, and anyways, it counts these particular words. So here we go. Roads are mentioned 36 times in the DA manifesto. Roads are 19. Road and roads. We add those together, we get 45. And roads with a capital R is mentioned 0. Water is mentioned 72 times. And water with a capital is 2 times. So they talk a lot about water. That's interesting. Infrastructure 20. Sanitation 3. Maintenance 8. Waste 32. Waste 5 with a capital. You can see some have capital and plurals just to account for those anomalies, well, not anomalies, but accounting for that water and water is saying the same thing, but the one's got a capital. And if I didn't have the capital, then it wouldn't count that, so I just had to account for that. Electricity is mentioned 20 times, skills 6, education obviously very few times, jobs mentioned that amount of times. Okay, so now we've got an idea. The DA are talking a lot about water. Interesting. Okay, then I just shoot over to my Kaggle notebook and I just plot a little chart. And here we got these words. And that's what a chart looks like. So we see roads and water, waste are the highest things that the DA talk about. So if you want to know what the DA are talking about in their manifesto, roads, water, and waste. So I now do the rest with the other parties, and I'm going to put it on my LinkedIn. So thank you for watching. This is the analysis of the South African Party's manifesto using Python and Kaggle and what did I use? The library collections. Hope you have a fantastic day and thanks for watching. Bye for now.